Bro, Cyrus, your ass can't fight, boy. I remember we kids, boy, you be getting your ass beat up every time, bro. Your ass can't fight, boy. You gonna fight, but you don't know how to fight. It's a difference. You ain't scared, but you be getting your ass beat. You be letting them hoes beat you up and all. Man, Osiris ass funny as fuck. This nigga fought every time we hit him all on the weekend and shit. He out there with all his sisters and cousins and shit. They always be fighting and shit. I'm out here fighting all the niggas and shit. I go look over here across this way. This nigga over here fighting all the hoes. Is you cool, nigga? What the fuck is you doing? Fight all the hoes. Boy, your ass dumb as fuck. Every time his sister in the fight, he jumping in. He don't get no fucks. He beat bitches and all. That nigga crazy as fuck when we kid. I rather had me a sister too. I would jump in too. Fuck around them hoes. Let her play with Chloe. I bet I be the first one in. Beat a bitch ass. Pussy hoe. Get back. Don't let Diddy get you. Who? Man, stop playing with me, bro. Real shit, man. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all gotta cut with all these allegation shit, man. I ain't with all that bullshit, man. I'm a real nigga, man. What the fuck?